Welcome to another matchday vlog, vlog 4, and it is, I'm going to say mould, no it's not. It's Airbus versus Holywell in the cup final, and Mikalenko is fucking magic. Anyway, we're on the walk to Eccles. Yeah, I can't even remember, Eccles, whatever station it is. Anyway, Airfield, that's it, so we're on the way there. And Newcastle and Everton fan here. Oh, it's fucking warm. There's town anyway. How do you see it on the train? Oh, Michael Haynes made it 2-1. VAR's checking it, but it has on the corner or something, I don't know. But wow. I'm watching on the Dodge stream, the fucking signal keeps going, but yeah, I wasn't possibly go. I did get offered tickets, but it was like busy, had plans and all that. And yeah, fucking gotta do stuff later when I get home and stuff, so yeah. Sort out this house, but yeah, to be fair, did get offered a ticket. However, at the same time, when I checked on the actual coach company, they said they didn't have any left, so I'm like, sort of dodgy there. So in the end, I was like, I don't want to, you know, be scammed out of anything. And then yeah, tickets came up a bit too late, but 2-1 up, get in. And now Beto has made a 3-1. Get the fuck in. Oh, I'm not even there. Oh, Beto, don't get in. Buzzing with that one. Buzzing. But good. Was it? Yay! I told you he was good, dickhead. He done the same thing the other day. Good cross. He always assists, lad. He always gets into the goals. He's a good player. See what happens when he starts. Get in. Beto. Ole. Beto. The buzzer with it, but go to them up there.
Going this week, so.
And I've got. What's sauce? What is this? Cherry. Get in. Barbecue. Banana milkshake. Barbecue chicken pasta. Massive attendance this. Jesus.
Like a festival in North East Wales.
It's actually fucking round. But with a delayed time. It's 6:10. 6:10, and the game was off. And finally I'm at the stadium when it's late. Score prediction, I'm going to go 1-0 to Airbus. Morgan Murray on the bench for Holywell. My friend on Facebook, gave me sound. Scored a wonder goal against Preston in the opening game of the season. Brilliant goal there. Such a lovely ground this Airbus though. Well, the last two games I was here was a 7-3 and a 6-2. Both Preston and lost. And that's probably against Preston. Oh, so good as well. Breezy is a good player. I think it's Airbus who won the league this season against the ones who won the league last, Holywell. It's class it this season, like, can't you, I think, because all the Welsh competitions still haven't finished. Yeah. Holywell have had a positive start. With the see-through brunettes. Love it. I'm really good to see the brunettes. I don't even know what I've recorded last because I've just deleted a few clips because it keeps going on slow motion. Well, I didn't press on slow motion, but anyway. Holywell had a corner and the keeper claws it just off the line, just as I'm going directly in. But yeah, we camera's shite, but can't remember what happened there. Yeah, the brunettes still missed Goodison brunettes. Oh, off the post. Oh, is it the side netting? Who knows? But bring it well off the post, then the side netting. Good start though. So I'll tell you the way, both teams want this. Both playing well. Just outside the box.
Hey! Come on! Get him up! What's the challenge like that?
A nasty challenge, that, like. And then I thought the referee played advantage, but he obviously didn't because Airbus had the ball. I don't know what he's played here. Really don't know. They're all getting stuck into each other here. Oh. So much of that an open goal by now. Both teams are playing really well. Taking control of that well as well. I don't think Cameron's even focusing properly though. Good chance. What a kick. Corner kick to Holywell. Nice ball. Headed away. Keeper done well commanding that and claiming the ball. He's done it quite a lot today already. Would have been a spectacular attempt though. Oh, good finish. Airbus are 1-0. Multiple fans in different sections here, but they're enjoying it. It's a really good finish as well. Thought he was announced down over there. Here's the speaker. Well, a very nice finish. Found the angle. And a neat finish. But again, the keeper made another good play. Now he's rapid in. Straight from the throw as well. Jumped over 2 tackles. So well. Wow, would have been a sensational goal, that. Brilliant back heel. Nice finish. It would have been anyway. So referee giving it in anyway. I think he's given a drop ball last week because he hit it head on. He hasn't given one offside, he's given a drop ball, so yeah. Fair play to Holywell, giving it a good goal here. One ahead of the way easily. Ooh. Wow, what a goal that is. An unreal cross that. Fantastic ball. And a brilliant header in the back of the net for 2-0 to Airbus. And well, Holywell have had chances to hit the post after the brilliant bit of goal there. Nice back heel and all that. But Airbus have taken the chances. They've had about 3 shots, hit the post on one, and then the others who'd have scored. Compared to Holywell, who just keep getting the crosses, claims and all that. And I think it's Airbus keeper, he's fantastic, him, you know what I mean? Coming out claiming the ball, making a good save as well. And yeah, Holywell at the post. Having quite a few chances, but Airbus have gone a step closer to winning this cup. I just realised, Fulham 3, Liverpool 2, Fulham 1, Everton 3. at least one team of mates is like a win full of like. Doesn't with that win, you know. Of course, it weren't there, but he doesn't for a win, like. I'm really fucking happy. I'd love to have done a vlog. I'd love to do a vlog when we win away from home. But yeah, man, fucking boss. To be fair, I've been to 4 games today. Wouldn't have been able to make Fulham anyway because I've been busy, so yeah, it is what it is. Lovely that, both coming for the ball. Can't have heard the contact. I didn't know I game this actually. Oh, see. Maybe that was the wrong thing to do, kicking it back in play. I mean, could have caught them out, but I would have left this go out for the corner, me personally. Caught him right there, but done well to get the shot off. Keeper's made a good save, just I think it was wrong with the follow up. Like I said, should have just let this go out for the corner. Oh, lovely that. Oh, wow. Getting the action here and there, Russ. Done brilliant to get round and then the shot is an exquisite one in the top corner. What a fucking finish that is. And it's 3-0 to Airbus. Some quality tackles flying in everywhere here. Always goal fest when I come here. Keepers! Well, this season, Holywell have got beat 8-3 here. Literally, that's the last time he played here, and he got beat 8-3. And then the 1-2-1 at Holywell, but I reckon they're at risk of conceding quite a few more here. Because Airbus looks so clinical at the minute. Like Holywell have had the chances, but all the shots have been going off target or keep makes the save. But they're letting it go for the corner just so yeah, pass it in the box with nobody there. Yeah, but so good anyway. Oh. Shot blocked as well, weren't it? Well, the defence just about get there for Holywell. He struggled with that one. So I thought you go to Pilgrims and Treble. Oh yeah. They're well to win the ball there safely as well. To be fair, both went into each other. Almost the fourth. I think he could have went for it in number 7. But yeah, great keeper went down fast like this, same behind me. It's class. And it'll be half time soon. Half time we then. The Holywell Group Stadium in Airbus. It's 3-0 to Airbus. It's been a great game so far. So yeah, 3-0. The game looks done already. Take a lot for Airbus to come play. Take a lot for Holywell to come back now, sorry. Yeah, top performance so far from Airbus. Decent shot on target. So we'll work that one. Well, he's got the bug to put his knee brace on because he thinks he's done a knee in again. It's a great ball there, but he hasn't been able to get into the game yet.
We've gone walking down there this week.
To be honest, I can't lie, mine needs to say him, I should understand myself. I've got this right knee here, ever since I popped out the place and the crash I had that time.
The thing is that you'd listen.
Evil still. Oh, what the hell?
I'm going to see if it's viable for us to stay. We're getting at 8:30 as it is.
Which?
Getting at 8:30 is the earliest we can get back to Chester.
It's not bad, though, is it?
But it also food wise, depending on what time that's been done.
So surprised that he's haven't scored. Holywell haven't played with the chances. Just hasn't gotten away, there. Says to Gemma Anderson, I can't listen to voice notes. Can you type? Says me voice notes. Oh no.
Hey? No, it's 8:30.
Oh.
Go on, Lions! Go on, Lions!
One at 7 past.
Go on, Kenton! Take him on! Hey! Body, Kate! Body!
Sounds like a bird piece of shit. Not done right.
Never a fan of short corners, mate. Never. Anyway. Keep always calling these Buckley for some reason. Oh, right. Fucking hell. Have a no look and goal here. Yeah, he was defending very well tonight. He always do, to be fair. Not many teams scored against these.
The one that I took a picture of the top of his head, basically. Always end up doing it right at one stage. Yes!
Oh. Keeper's done well to match that, but free kick weren't the worst.
That'll do. Get in there. Stop crying, Sean!
Oh, lucky.
There's only
Yeah, that's probably one of the worst passes I've ever seen, by the way. Holywell player just hit that way diagonally, but there was no one there. What the fuck's he doing?
first was
Lovely ball.
Well done, Bucky.
It was a great corner as well, no one just latched onto it.
the old brother Tony's well.
Which?
The good job with these Tony's home walkover. Airfield again. I was going to watch those at Colford Sports Village. I wasn't thinking focused to watch those.
7.2 for the dive. Got to be worth a goal.
Number 11 was absolutely fuming.
Closest to the game.
Eastleigh won.
Yeah.
Why, home walk over again?
Yeah. The UAE rule that we were potentially looking at, Sean. Yeah. Apparently did play 4-2. So we've been screwed over massive. We've been lucky, we've been screwed over, trust.
So we run that up. Push it down nicely, but the keeper's down well.
Send him off! Tom Daly had hold of his shirt!
Yeah, football manager so random. Southgate's head coach of North Korea. You say you're the fucking piss.
You know, like saying they usually.
Yes!
You ready for this, Sean?
Crosses haven't been that bad.
He's won 89 World Cups, the Euros, Premier League, Super Bowl, the Euros, Asia, the Asia Cup, Champions League, the Olympics, World Wars, and manager of the month.
How's he won that much, man?
Sky Bet League 1 since being their head coach. Get it, because they edit everything. They say that they're the best in everything.
I've already put them in Sky Bet League 1, what the fuck? Second half's been alright as well. I know there hasn't been any goals in the second half. It's been alright. It was an 8-3 last time he's played. They could have beat the score in this game, really. They've had chances being for both teams. Both teams have had so many chances. He's just a bit of a divvy, isn't he, River?
Straight in the middle! Yeah!
4-0 to Airbus.
That should be that.
It will be that anyway. As soon as the first goals came in, I think Holywell have clashed out a little bit. Still had a few chances. Second goal totally killed them off. But it's a well-worked goal from Airbus. What a game. Well, Airbus have been quality up front today. There's always, to be honest, not just today. Love Airbus though. Team in the place. It is class. This ground is just amazing. All of it. He's offside. The one who was offside was him, really. And he didn't even get the ball. He dodged it and he went to him. Well, he didn't even dodge it. He just stopped and just let him move through. Number 10 got the ball, so it wasn't bad. Bit of a poor decision now from the referee, but Airbus win it back. That's how we want to go. Ooh. Out in miles out there.
That's why we keep playing the Joker this season. They have to play a certain number of games to be ready.
He's just going to pass the ball now, aren't he? Good at it. Oh, yeah. Lovely takedown. He went for a penalty though. He didn't quite get it.
I think you and Dad will link that with the
All our flexible kids in the money. Stewards, linos, four officials, all the same kids, referees, and a goalkeeper. Well, the substitution of the goalkeepers, don't know what that's about, but okay then. Changing the keepers. They're about to keep strong. Technically another goal fest you'd have had.
on, Daddy!
I'll definitely call it if it goes like 5-0 or 4-1.
Go on, lad! Whoa!
It's a good play, isn't it? Yes, it's back there. Oh, I just lied. Too many chances missed for Holywell. Lovely ball. He still got it. Oh, good save. He couldn't do much with that. Obviously, it booted towards his face. He put his hand up to his face to stop it for a minute. Anyway, yeah. It's a great chance. And I'm lucky enough to make it 5. Done there. Was that a late tackle, was it? What happened there? A red card. Holywell are down to 10. I was to know where that was.
Is your dad available tomorrow?
Don't even know, to be honest. But anyway, yeah, it was. I didn't see that properly at the time. What I did then on replay, I seen both clashing, but I didn't see the after kick. Went into the kick to the full side, straight after that. Anyway, and it's Airbus will win 4-0 and win the cup. Fair play to them. Trophy and the medals.
Withenshaw Town is probably the right game.
Fair play to Holywell for getting second place. They're a great team then.
Welsh Senior Challenge Cup for 2025. And winning it for the first time in their history is congratulations and well done to Airbus UK Broughton. That concludes the presentation ceremony. Thank you all very much indeed for your support.
I can go down, but I don't show the number. Someone just mentioned who Charlie Alcar's child. Who the fuck's that? What the fuck? Jesus Christ.
Who the fuck?
He's got 2 different numbers messaging. Oh wow. It's a bit mad, isn't it? I genuinely don't know what that is. Someone's playing tricks with Ollie. He's got 19 under call. And what's this new message now?
It's the saying you missed the calls off it.
Fucking hell, mate. It's warm outside. Quite warm in here. On the bus back to Chester. Wales. Well, we got past the bush to see Saltley FC. Home with Jamie Welsh. Best out of the share, and then I'll be there. I'm past Hellsby before on the train as well. I'll ask for out of the West Cheshire. Can't wait to take that one. Fish are nice. I can count the chips and he's alright. Anyway, yeah, fish, chips, mushy beef. It's alright for the value though, tenner, not too bad. Sherry Pepsi. Where's Ollie's? Wait, is chicken strips. Looks nice actually. Although again, portion size is a bit bad.
Well,
Bows.
we doubled those games.
Well, Bows have won. This will be the 5th win in 6 games also. And another late goal.
It is as well.
Moose! I was mistaken.
Right, Joe.
A hot one.
As loose.
Now uploaded. Not 1, not 2. I put 3 vlogs on Wetherspoons. Their Wi-Fi was actually quite quick. Help me now. So, yeah. I've uploaded my Bolton Reserves vlog from Thursday. On Friday's one, I've uploaded Daysbrook versus the Arc FC. And I've uploaded this morning's one of game 1. So, yeah, I'm buzzing with that, I really am. I need to walk back to the station. My dad's brother wants some Mackies. And just can't wait to get up tomorrow and get a fucking shower in the gym, to be honest. If I go to the gym, which I should do. Bit of a fatty. Anyway, buzzing with that. Buzzing with today. It's been very, very good. But yeah. yeah, you know. Oh, my feet are sore now, I don't know why. Jesus Christ. Don't forget your bag, lad.
See you later. Bye.
Come on, let's go. I feel sweaty. Fucking hate it when people give you weird looks. Cut up off the seat, doing nothing, just getting out the train. Two fucking men sitting there fucking giving us such weird looks. Freaks. It's like the men giving us weird looks on the train, strange ones. The old fucking farts giving us looks. Anyway, it's fine, it is what it is. People want to have their opinion, you can have their opinion. You just fuck off then, can't they? Anyway, yeah, so. It's been a boss day anyway. Bacon rolls back, is it? I think that's what it looks like. Get in. Anyway, yeah. Glad I caught up on my vlogs. Buzzing with that. Walking back. Yeah, obviously, focusing off of me. So Matthew, because he hasn't had anything to eat. I think my dad's asleep. So, in there, there's nuggets, Big Mac, and chips. Cool brothers. Starving apparently. Wants this. So, yeah. It's good to see my cousin in there as well, actually. I've not spoken to her in a long time and all that. And glad she was worth seeing him sound as well. But yeah, you know, it was good catching up. But yeah, always got time for family and friends. I really do. Jesus fucking Christ, it's hot. Again, I'm near about caught up with 90% of the vlogs now, which is good. I've only got one more to edit now after this one is downloaded to my phone. The Newton Willows one. 4 games today. Full moon's out as well. Anyway, if you've all enjoyed, like and subscribe. Oh, what am I standing on here? I'm gonna plug my power bank in and I'm gonna go a kip. So yeah, you're all legends and I appreciate all your support. Hopefully see you tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Have a good one.